Back in York, queen of homemade hacks Pam is turning her hand to other household tasks. She's been on benefits since she hurt her back in a serious accident in 2012.
It does mean that I've had to adapt for different household chores and things, and I can't pick up a mop bucket and mop because 10 litres of water in a mop bucket is way too heavy for me.
She can't afford to hire a cleaner, so she's looking for a creative solution.
I found online the Cuban Mop, which is basically 2 sticks stuck together that you can wrap a cloth around.
As you can wash and reuse the cloth, Cuban mops are eco-friendly and hopefully cost-effective.
That's insanity. Like, seriously, to buy a Cuban Mop over here is like 55 quid. And they're only from like posh shops, like upmarket kind of bamboo everything.
Pam gets 60 quid a week in benefits, so that's way out of her price range. She's taking matters into her own hands.
Just have to make me own.
Pam's straight outside to start work.
Oh, whoops.
If she can cook chicken in a box, then she's confident she can make a mop with the wood she has in her garden.
The whole piece was about £3.50. So that's way cheaper than even a normal broomstick to purchase. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. One done. After this, I put a hole in here, which is the same size as this, or a tiny bit smaller. It doesn't get a lot more simple than that. A couple of bits of stick put together. There it is. And then all we have to do then, stick that in there. Well, that's the theory.
Time to put the knife skills she learnt as a chef to good use.
I've got a first aid kit in the bathroom and my sewing kit's in the office.
And without further ado, 3 quid's worth of wood is now a Cuban mop.
It's in! Woohoo! We've done it.
It's nothing fancy, but Pam saved about 47 quid.
Let's see how it works.
And the savings don't stop with the mop. Pam buys bulk 5-litre vinegar jars for $3.50 and transforms them.
So this is the pine vinegar that I do my floors with. I go and forage for pine needles and I marinate pine needles with 5 litres of white vinegar. So you end up with this pine vinegar. So this is a cloth that's specifically made for cleaning floors with. It's actually really, really heavy duty.
Let's hope the £3 mop can handle it.
We're just going to use 100 ml of the pine vinegar because that's enough. And get our floor cloth straight in.
How do you work this money-saving mop?
Then all we have to do is literally just wrap it around the Cuban Mop, like that.
Who needs high-tech when you've got homemade and 40 quid cheaper?
If you step back and keep it really simple, you can do all of those things very cheaply without all of the plastic fantastic gadgets and expensive things.